Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy, and today a friend of mine is going to show us how to make his version of Ghanaian chicken stew. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. He washed the chicken with water, make sure that it was nice and clean. And then he added a half sliced onions and Remie, Onga and all-purpose seasoning and placed it on the fire for about 15 to 25 minutes. We didn't add water. Whilst that was steaming, he sliced the tomatoes but removed the seed. So he's using fresh tomatoes for this stew. So he removed the seeds from the tomatoes, and this is personal preference. You don't have to remove the seeds. So after 10 minutes, this is how the chicken is looking like. So you can see there was no need for us to add water to the chicken. And so the ingredients that he's going to use to make this stew is 2 sliced Scotch bonnet, 1.5 sliced onions, about 6 sliced fresh tomatoes, and 2 tins of tomato puree. And he was debating on adding the black-eyed peas, but later on he decided not to add it anymore. So he used vegetable oil, put the vegetable oil in the pan, added the onions first, cooked it for about a minute or so, and then he added the Scotch bonnet pepper. Once that was cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes, he added the tin tomato puree to the mix, and that was also cooked for about 3 to 4 minutes before adding the chopped tomatoes. And then he allowed that to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then he added the chicken stock, so the sauce, added that into the stew, and then allowed that to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes before you add the chicken, he added the last seasoning, which is the herb and spicy seasoning, and then he allowed that to cook for another 5 minutes before adding the chicken. And once the chicken was added, he allowed that to simmer for about 5 minutes as well. And here is the end result. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.